Hey friends, Melissa here, coming in on this Thursday and the beginning of October the 1st, 2020. And I titled this Just What You've Been Looking For. And interesting enough, when I think about I'm always seeking something, I'm always looking for something, I'm trying to find something, I'm reminded that everything is within. So whether you're trying to find more money, trying to find a better relationship, looking for a new job, it's all within you. That driving force inside of you is like a light. It will shine where it needs to be shown so that you can find those things that you're seeking in your life. Oftentimes we think it's the material things out there that we really, really want, when ideally it's how we feel inside when we have those things. So think about someone that maybe has finally gotten their dream car. They're super excited. They finally bought it. And the first week that they own it, they have a wreck. And then the excitement of that car is quickly transformed into, oh, I knew I shouldn't have gotten that car. This always happens to me. Why is my luck always so bad? If only I hadn't bought my new car. And the story goes on. So that's what I want to help you to start identifying when you're really aligning yourself with your energy, when you're going within. I'm doing a program next Thursday on turning a new leaf, and I would love to invite you there because this information is about falling in love with yourself again and your life. It's letting go of those fears and the overwhelm so that you can quit making these stories up that are not serving you anymore. And I have other opportunities this month that are just going to blow your mind, and I really hope you'll consider working with me in a group setting that's going to start October the 19th. The details haven't dropped yet, but if you want more information, message me and I'll give you the details now, because I think investing in yourself is going to be the smartest thing that you do to finish out 2020, because this program is 10 weeks, starts October the 19th, runs till that first week of the week of Christmas, and you are going to be so aligned with what it is that you're doing in your life and your business and with your relationships and with your money that you're going to feel so empowered that come January, you're not going to have to shift into a new person or figure things out, because you're already going to have the roadmap, you're already going to have the clarity, and you're going to learn to tap into that inner light, that inner self, your higher self, your soul, whatever you want to call it, your spirit, because it has the answers, and I'm your guide. I'm the one that's going to help you really tap into that. And in this group community of a very small number of people, it's going to be even amplified, because when you bring people together like this who are on the same mission to draw the line in the sand and to just be ready to let go of the uncertainty, it becomes so clear what it is we've been putting up as our roadblocks and evident of what we need to take away and how we can step into this journey with excitement, joy, and happiness, because that's why you're here, my friend. You're here to play big. You're not here to play small, and you're definitely not here to settle for anything. So I want to encourage you, message me now if you'd like the details, but also follow the link in the comments to get signed up for Turning a New Leaf workshop or webinar that is next week in conjunction with Amy Scalia with CincyChic. It's going to be epic. It's going to be so good. And I just cannot wait to bring you all of that valuable information where we're going to pull back the veil. We're going to open up your heart. We're going to allow you to really experience life at the level that you came here to play. If there's anything that you need outside of that, message me. Let's have the conversation. I'm always open to having a conversation through Messenger or by phone. So again, DM me on that as well. I hope you're having an amazing day. All the best for October. Stay connected, stay tuned, because I'm going to help you rise above and create that life that only you can live. Have an amazing day. Bye for now.